Hello beautiful angels. Today I'm going to recreate this Instagram filter cherry on cake by Barbara Malaways, and this was also recreated by James Charles. So this is how I did recreate, and this is my version. And before we dive in, there is also going to be a giveaway winner announcement, and I'm so happy that you're here. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. The giveaway winner is Jennifer Chobon, and I'm so sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, and congrats, yay! And thank you so much for being part of this YouTube family. And this might be coming in the Allure beauty box. I'm trying to reuse my boxes. Don't mistake this as coming from the Allure. This is from Beautiful Angels. So these are the things that you might be receiving. So this is the Dr. brand, and this is sleep recovery mask. Hopefully you love it, because I really love it and I do see the results for it. So let me know how did that go. And this beauty right here, so this is Girl on Fire, and this is smudge proof liquid eyeliner. And this beauty right here, so this is Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Trick. And also this beauty right here, so this is the Aromatica Calendula Juicy Cream. And this one right here, so this is the face mask, and there is the Ipsy bag in here. So these are the things that you would be getting, and I'm so excited and so happy for you being the winner of this giveaway. And for those who didn't win this giveaway, don't feel disappointed, because there is going to be a giveaway even in the September, so stay tuned. And there is a good chance that one of you guys would win the September giveaway too. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in with this beauty right here. This is the Dr. brand Luminizer Primer. This is how it looks.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult.
I'm taking anything like peach to something like this one to set my under eye concealer, because anything peach would really color correct my under eye circles. So this is what I usually do. And this is the foundation I'm going in with, and this is the damp beauty blender. And since we did color correct, so I just want to tap my beauty blender but not like drag it. This is what I'm using. This is BDB Billion Dollar Brows. I'm going to use this to fill my brows. I'm just wetting my brush. So this is before and after. This one has like this pink kind of blush going in with the same, this one right here. So this is Bonfire, and taking it all the way to my temples on both the sides. I'm going to apply the same color to my nose area as well. Highlighter, I think I'm going to go with this Ocean Ave. It's a really pretty color. I'm going to apply the same thing even to my nose. I'm going in with a rose tattoo and bonfire to my crease. So rose fire and this. Intensify the outer corner by going in from with my James Charles palette, and this is what I'm taking. Cut my crease using this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion. Puppy Love. And then Ocean A to my inner corner. Hot Pink to my inner corners. Liquid liner and just going to wing it out. So this is what we're looking at. And now the fun part, I'm going to draw the cherry.
If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we can be taking control. If we
I'm just using the liquid lipstick to draw this.
a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be
This Color Pop gel liner to draw these stems.
we could be taking control. We could be taking control. We could be taking control.
Black liner, and I'm going to outline the cherries and also the stem. Okay, now time to add the face on the cherry.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control.
Going in with my NYX eyeliner in white.
Anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. We could be taking control.
My lips kind of big, but there is like even more bigger, so I'm just going to outline my lips. Girl are in deep mauve lipstick. Time to draw my freckles. Well, that's pretty much it guys for today. Hopefully you loved this video, and let me know in the comments below how did it go, and if you ever want to give it a shot, and if you did, please do tag me on my Instagram, and I'm going to leave my Instagram handle below. Thank you so much for being part of this YouTube family, and I love you guys so much. Be good to each other, stay safe, bye.